What surprised you about an interim visit? Did it feel very different from a core inspection?
Initially, probably no. So in the week leading up to the inspection, you have the same feelings of anticipation and apprehension. But during the visit, yes, it did feel different. Felt a lot more supportive. It felt really useful and helpful to get the advice of these really knowledgeable experts in the room with us. So that felt differently. What was surprising, I suppose, was then how involved the senior leadership team were in the process and the whole day, and how much professional dialogue happened throughout the day. That was really valuable.
What difference did the shorter notice period make to you?
It did make a big difference, actually. I really liked it. It was just 1 week, and it made it less likely for staff to worry or overwork or over-prepare. So I actually think it is beneficial to the school and the staff's well-being.
So you didn't have to do lots of extra preparation, you didn't have to prepare documents in advance of the visit or anything along those lines?
No, we weren't expected to put any documents in particular, but we chose to put certain documents in that we thought would be useful to the process for us.
How did the interim visit help you to reflect on the progress that the school had made since its last core inspection?
That was great, actually, because the interim visit, it was a surprise to us. It was only 2 years since our full inspection, but actually it was really useful to kind of keep us on track and give us confidence that what we are doing and the progress we are making is in the right direction.
Did it kind of provide you with pointers towards your next steps, the things that you need to do in future?
Yes, definitely. The professional dialogue and the advice we could ask, we had a list of questions that we wanted to ask the inspectors to try and, use their knowledge really and their wide experience of going into lots of other schools and what could we gain from their brains really.
So with those recommendations that they were looking at, it gave you an idea of the progress that you made, and did it also provide you with some thoughts around the next steps with those particular recommendations as well?
Yeah, it did. The report that we had at the end of the day was a true reflection really of the dialogue we'd had through the day and the conversations, and so if there were any howevers, we understood kind of what they meant and were quite confident we agreed with them and we wanted to use them as our next steps as well.
Okay, so as part of that actual process of the interim visit, it wasn't just about the report at the end of the day or the letter at the end of the day, that you were kind of learning things as the process was going on about your school. It was kind of helping you in that way as well?
Absolutely. That's how I feel the interim visit, the real value of it is it's a learning process. And I think the more that we all experience interim visits, the more we realise how valuable and useful they are in helping us to, especially if you think you know your next steps as a leadership team, and this either gives you confidence or points you in the right direction or just gives you extra things to make sure that you are going in the right direction, really.
Talk to me about the feedback that you received during the visit, both during the visit itself and at the end of the visit as well. How did that process work?
From the start of the day, the leadership team were involved with the team going around the school, doing observations, having professional dialogue. And so a lot of our feedback just came naturally through conversation. Then we had meetings throughout the day, and that we were fed back to then, and we could input our thoughts and ask our questions, gain advice. So it was really valuable. And then at the end of the day, a report was magically produced within hours. That really was a true reflection of our discussions throughout the day. Okay. And it was really clear the feedback within the report was really clear, and the howevers we really understood because we'd had the conversations that created the however statement. We understood and then could explain to governors what they meant and our next steps from them. Equally, we could explain to our staff and governors all the positives in the report as well, because we were part of sort of building conversations that led to the report.
So do you feel that sort of being part of the process of the interim visit, did that help you and your staff with your own kind of professional practice and your role as senior leaders?
So as a first-time head going through the experience, I was apprehensive. When the senior leadership team went through the school with the inspectors, I wasn't involved in that process, so I did feel, I'm being judged a little bit, you know, and what's the outcome for my school going to be? So you still have those feelings, but because then we were all of us involved in the discussions and the conversations that came out of those observations, it was really useful for my professional development and really useful for my senior leadership team's development.
So did it feel more like something that was done with you rather than to you as a process?
Yeah. From the first meeting on Teams, I felt like it was a process definitely that our voice was valued in, and definitely sort of a process really, as we planned what we were going to look at throughout the day, and then the leadership team, it was lovely for all of them, so not just one advocate from the school but the whole team, to meet the inspectors and to have open discussions with them. And we just went into it with the approach of being really honest and gaining as much as we could out of the day.
So after you've had an interim visit yourself, what have you told other head teachers who are about to have interim visits? What kind of advice have you given them about the process?
So I've told them that it's actually a really positive process. I've told them to maybe not worry as much as they think they need to, and not to over-prepare, to be really honest and to use the process as a learning opportunity, and to gain all of the advice they can really from the inspectors, and to enjoy it. You know, we enjoyed our day, so hopefully they will enjoy this too. We're all in the job for the same reason, because we want the best outcomes for our pupils, and so it's really an opportunity for them to celebrate, show off the progress that they're making to people who are really knowledgeable, and just can sort of celebrate with them and also give them advice on next steps. So use it as a learning tool.
And finally, what 3 words would you use to describe an interim visit?
Positive, valuable, and maybe you wouldn't expect this, but enjoyable.